Hello students, in this video we will learn to change the orientation of page. Page orientation means the way in which a page of a document is being viewed or printed. MS Word provides us two types of page orientation: portrait orientation and landscape orientation. First one is portrait. Portrait option displays or prints the page lengthwise or vertically. It is the default page orientation in MS Word. Landscape. The landscape orientation displays or prints the page widthwise or horizontally. To change the page orientation, select the Page Layout tab. Now click on the Orientation button in the Page Setup group. In the Orientation drop-down menu, select the Landscape option. Notice that the orientation of page has changed from portrait to landscape. We can also change the orientation of page by using the Page Setup dialog box launcher. So click on Page Setup dialog box launcher. The Page Setup dialog box appears. Make sure the Margin tab is active. Now click on Portrait in the Orientation section and click on OK. You can again notice the change. The orientation of page has changed from landscape to portrait. In this way, we can change the orientation of page. Thank you.